What's up guys, for today's video I'll be taking a look at the all-new 2019 Chevrolet 2500 HD. Then I'll show you many of the features on the interior and exterior. So the 2500 remained unchanged for 2019. The last major redesign was done back in 2015, and ever since then it kept all the same features and the same engine numbers. But that all will change next year with GM introducing the all-new 2500 HD in 2020. But until then, we're stuck with this body style. My current tester is the LT trim and has a window sticker of $68,000 with more than $15,000 in options. So although the 2500 design has been outdated already by other rivals, it doesn't stop this truck from being one of the most capable heavy-duty trucks. As you can see, the engine has 3 air intake ways to allow more air into the Duramax engine. And the headlights are the halogen headlights with no LED options yet. And the wheels on this truck are the $800 optional 20-inch polished aluminum wheels, wrapped in all-terrain tires. And also my tester has the optional 8-foot bed just to make it more capable. And the engine on this truck is the 6.6 liter Duramax diesel V8 that makes 445 horsepower at 2800 RPM and 910 pound-feet of torque at 1600 RPM. And it has a maximum towing capacity of 15,400 pounds. So on the driver door, you have the window control. All 4 windows are fully automatic. Right behind it, you have the children lock and window lock. You also have lock and unlock, memory controls, and soft closing mirrors. Right above it, you have 2 memory seats with the door handle. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have the trailer brake, 4-wheel drive control, and the light control with the fog lights. And on the steering wheel, you have 4-spoke leather wrapped steering wheel. On the left hand side, you have your cruise controls with the heated steering wheel. On the right hand side, you have your controls for the screen and voice command.
Say a command or say help.
Help.
You can say phone, audio, navigation, weather, or OnStar. To call a number quicker, speech session ended. Goodbye.
And on the left hand side steering wheel, you have the wiper control. And on the right hand side, you have your 6-speed automatic transmission with tow mode, manual mode, and a backup camera. And on the screen, you have your speed with speed limit. You have trip A, B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, fuel economy, timer, speed limit, fuel filter, engine life, transmission fluid, trailer brake, off-road, and diesel exhaust. You also have audio, phone, navigation. In options, you have your information page, different units, speed warning, and source. Right along the center console, you have the 8-inch color screen. Right below, you have the radio controls, climate controls with heated seats. You also have the paddle control, traction control, cargo light, parking sensor, and exhaust brake. And right down here, you have a small storage. You also have a 12-volt power outlet and a regular outlet. And in the center, you have 3 cup holders, 3 storages, and a storage. You also have 2 more USBs, auxiliary cord, and a 12-volt power outlet, and a divider. And on the screen, you have your audio with Sirius XM. You have phone, projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, navigation, settings, weather, text, OnStar, traffic, the window sticker. The standard vehicle price is $52,500. They added the Duramax Plus package, the 20-inch polished aluminum wheels, and the side steps. They also added heated and vented seats and the leathers. Also, they added the Z71 off-road package and the deep ocean blue metallic and the trailing mirrors. They also added off-road tires, LED light, and lockbox, which all comes up to $68,660. Here's the 5-star safety ratings.